Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the challenges facing Russia's Su-57 stealth fighter. You might think its biggest rivals are the US F-35 or F-22, but the real enemy here is Western sanctions. Since Russia invaded Ukraine, Western countries have imposed strict sanctions that are hitting Russia's military production hard. The Su-57, Russia's pride and joy in the air, is not immune. These sanctions are making it nearly impossible for Russia to get hold of crucial Western-made components. We're talking calibration and radar systems, advanced manufacturing machines, and composite materials. Leaked reports say that Russia's plan to double Su-57 production by 2028 is in serious jeopardy. The program has already faced delays and scaled back forecasts even before these sanctions. Now, without access to key components, the future of the Su-57 looks even more uncertain. But Russia isn't giving up just yet. They're looking for ways around these sanctions, resorting to smuggling and sourcing restricted parts from countries like China and Kazakhstan. One example is the MPPU-50 modules essential for calibrating and testing radar systems in the Su-57. These modules are typically subject to strict export controls, but Russia is acquiring them through intermediaries and illicit channels. This desperate scramble highlights the lengths to which Russia will go to sustain its military industry. However, the effectiveness and long-term sustainability of these measures remain in question. The quality and reliability of smuggled parts are major concerns. For Western nations, this situation underscores the need for continued vigilance. Monitoring and controlling the flow of sensitive technologies will be crucial in maintaining pressure on Russia. The effectiveness of these efforts could be the key in determining the long-term impact of sanctions on Russia's military ambitions. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.